Are you looking for a stock under $30 that could potentially double your money? Today we're talking about Pinterest, a company that 500 million people use every month but Wall Street seems to have completely forgotten about. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly whether Pinterest deserves a spot in your portfolio, so let's dive in. Pinterest isn't your typical social media platform. While people scroll Facebook and Instagram for entertainment, Pinterest users come with a purpose. They're planning weddings, remodeling kitchens, or shopping for their next outfit. This is crucial because it means Pinterest users are in a buying mindset, making the platform incredibly valuable for advertisers. Think about it. When someone searches for home decor ideas on Pinterest, they're probably ready to spend money. This buying intent makes Pinterest's advertising 7 times more influential in purchase decisions compared to other social platforms, according to their own data. Let's talk numbers. Pinterest has over 500 million monthly active users and makes most of its money from advertising. Businesses pay to promote their products to users who are actively searching for related content. But here's what makes Pinterest special. Their ads don't feel like ads. They blend naturally into the user experience because they look just like regular pins. Users actually welcome these ads because they're discovering products they genuinely want. The company is also expanding into direct shopping features, partnering with retailers like Shopify so users can buy products without leaving the platform. Now here's where it gets interesting for investors. Pinterest stock used to trade above $80 per share during the pandemic when everyone was stuck at home planning projects. Today it's around $30, down over 60% from its peak. But is this a dying company or a buying opportunity? The fundamentals tell an interesting story. Pinterest is still profitable, generates positive cash flow, has zero debt, and continues growing revenue year over year. They're expanding internationally where they have huge room to grow, and they're improving their AI and visual search technology to keep users engaged. The biggest opportunity for Pinterest is international markets. Right now, they make way more money per user in the United States than overseas. As international markets mature and Pinterest improves their global advertising, revenue per user should increase dramatically. This creates double growth potential, more users worldwide and higher revenue from each user. They're also investing heavily in AI and features like visual search, where you can photograph something you like and find similar items instantly, plus augmented reality to virtually try on products. These innovations drive engagement and make advertising more effective. Of course, there are risks you need to know about. Pinterest faces intense competition from Meta, Google, and TikTok for both users and advertising dollars. They're heavily dependent on advertising revenue, so economic downturns hit them hard. They also need to attract younger Gen Z users to ensure long-term growth. User growth has slowed in mature markets like the US, which concerns some investors. But here's the thing. At $30 per share with a reasonable valuation compared to other tech stocks, Pinterest could be undervalued if they execute their strategy. So who should consider Pinterest? This stock makes sense if you believe visual discovery and social commerce are the future. And if you're looking for a profitable tech company at a reasonable price, it's not for everyone, though. If you hate volatility or need dividend income, look elsewhere. And remember, this is educational content, not financial advice. Always do your own research and consult a financial advisor before investing. Bottom line, Pinterest at $30 is a profitable tech company with 500 million users trading well below its highs. The market might be giving you a second chance at a company with real potential. Whether that potential gets realized depends on their execution, especially internationally. If you found this helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more stock analysis. Comment below and tell me, do you think Pinterest is a buy right now? Thanks for watching and invest wisely.